So right now I'm getting the air out. Got the garage open, so it is kind of cold in here. But, you know, cheers with your tits. Ooh, worms. Which one is that? This one?
I don't know. So one.
Yeah, we gotta treat him. Grab him, cuz. Yeah, right there. Got a girl? That's a girl. So we're gonna, I just seen worms in the poop. So we're gonna treat them all for worms. This is the only one I've seen for worms though, so. If you got a dog, if you got puppies, make sure you are checking for worms. We don't want to lose any puppies. You just, you funny as fuck, bro. So you thought it was going, so the way to check it was to squeeze it up. Open it mouth, force it.
Yeah.
There you go. There you go. All right, good to go. So what my cousin doing right now, since we found one with worms, he gonna treat all of them. Treated one, treating that one, he put that one over there. You can close the garage if you want to. I know it's kind of cool.
I feel it.
Okay, good. Yeah, you're the man behind the scenes getting everything done. Couldn't do it without him, y'all. That's a fact. Three done, 7 to go. I can hand it to you. Huh? Hey, 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 big guy. Hey, big guy. Hey, big guy. Female. Yeah, they're over there fighting too, y'all. All they do is play. I can't wait to get his ears cropped. Phew. The other one right there. So we use the Panicure, the blue one. It's like for horses and shit, but it works good for dogs too, just don't eat too much. The fact that the worms was coming out, and what's today, Friday? Yeah, and we dewormed them on, what day was that? Tuesday. Yeah. That's good then. That's great. You running from yay. That's good. So 3 days ago we did deworm them and we gave them their shots. So So the fact that we see worms coming out of them now, that's amazing. That means it's working. That means the medicine is working. So we're gonna do it. We're gonna hit them today. We're gonna hit them again tomorrow. And then we're gonna hit them another day after that. We're gonna hit them 3 days in a row. Make sure all of them are gone. As y'all can see, these puppies are real thick, but they're gonna be thicker once the worms is all gone. And I'm not gonna assume that only one got them. If I see worms in one, I feel like all of them got it. So we're gonna treat them all. Yeah, we're gonna treat them all. That's how we do it over at NBL Kennel. Do something to one, we do it to all of them. So we have we have 6 done. We got 4 to go. Look at this, biting on brick, everything. Look, biting the cage, look. Look at that. I get in a chew toy in there, look. Hey! My big boy right there, y'all. So I did decide my keeper. No, I haven't. I can't even say I have yet. I can't even say that. It was between him right there, the big boy right there, and the one that got no markings. The one that got no markings got a nice head on him. I like him. We got 2 males sold so far, y'all. Stay working. The big boy right there, boy. Look at that boy. Huh? On me. That's, oh God. That's why I like that worm medicine, bro. Because if you see a small dog, it's because they got worms. If you think they're skinny, it's because they have worms. So once the worms clear out, get all the worms out of there, they all gonna thicken up. So y'all seen them at the 6-week pictures. Once y'all see the 8-week photos, yeah, crazy. Crazy. That's the biggest boy right there, y'all. Biggest male with a litter. What should we name him, bro? We decided to keep him.
Tank.
Huh?
Tank.
Tank. It was a big tank. You heard it here first. Yeah, he said Tank. So we keep him, we're going with Tank. Look at that. Yeah, y'all see you put that one back in there, that means we have the last one. So after we get done, do one more, we're putting it back in here. Because we gotta have the heat lamps on them. Because it is kind of chilly out there. This is not a deworming video. We got a deworming video out already. But this is just a little update video. And this is just supposed to be a little vlog to show you guys the puppies. And we found worms, so you know, you got a little extra. You got a little extra video footage. You feel what I'm saying? They already ate today. They got full. You still see food left, and then they got full. Here we are, Stampede. If you haven't put your deposit in for a puppy yet, you're gonna miss out. That's a fact. If you haven't put a deposit in for a puppy yet, you're going to miss out. That is a fact. I am not repeating this litter. This is a one-time litter, y'all. Chloe X Zeus. One and only. It will not be repeated. I can't believe how far they came out, for real, for real. All right, y'all. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to this video. It's your boy EJ signing out. My cousin Ye, he signing out. And we out.